Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. In today's video, I am going to share with you a few daily life sentences and phrases and dialogues, and with the help of these things you can speak English language. And I know very well when we are beginner, when we just start learning English language. So in our initial days, whatever we learn, whatever we watch in videos, whatever we watch by the people, so there are chances that we forget so many things after just listening, after watching that video. And we have, I mean, in the end of the day, we have a few things like whatever we could remember while watching that video. Whatever is like we think like it is very interesting. So our mind catches that thing and it keeps it inside it. And we are able to speak English language with the help of that interesting thing. But when we don't learn something interesting and we are learning very boring things and we are just using it, we are recalling it when we are speaking English language, so there are chances that we are unable to recall that, we are unable to speak that. So today we are going to learn very interesting phrases and dialogues and daily life conversation tenses, I mean sentences. And with the help of those sentences, with the help of those short sentences and long sentences as well, with the help of those sentences you can speak English language with yourself, with anybody else, with your friends, with anyone. Okay, so this video is going to be very we can say knowledgeable and informative and very helpful. So keep watching this video till the end and we are going to learn many more things. So let's begin this video. So first of all, if I talk about daily life sentences, how many sentences you can speak in your daily life? So my friend, as I told you before as well, that whatever we do in our daily life, I'm going to tell you something new. Don't think that I'm going to share with you that you should tell about your whole journey, whatever you do since your morning till the evening. No, I'm not going to say these kind of things. I really want to say one thing only, that see, whatever sentences you have knowledge about, whatever sentences you know, just try to use that sentence and make it like very convoluted, not very difficult. But I just want to say one thing: if you are able to speak very simple sentences like I'm going to the market, I'm speaking English language, I'm watching this video, he is recording his video, he is teaching the people, he is uploading his video, he is learning so many things. If you are speaking in this way, so try to just use WH families. Are you aware about WH families, like how, when, why, and what? If you will use these WH words in your, in your initial days, like for example, if you are learning a very simple sentence like present continuous. Okay, so if you are learning present continuous sentences, so in these sentences we usually see that is our am, and we are just doing this, we are learning this. He is going there, he is coming to me, he is speaking with that person. In this way we speak. So if we use these WH families, so we can make it long, and we can use it, we can speak, we can understand that how to speak actually in any other way. And we have understanding about all type of sentences. When we speak of all the things, like for example, if we are learning present continuous, so when we use WH families, why it happens, and who did it and how it's going on, and what is the, what, how, why, and when, and these all the WH families, if you will use it in each and every sentence, so it will definitely improve your English language. Because when we start learning English language, so we have knowledge about, like we can make sentences, these type of sentences: I'm going there, I'm flying the kite, I am recording my video, I am just eating food, I am taking a bath. So these kind of sentence everybody can make, okay, who are learning English language, because it is very easy. But when it comes to using these WH families, why were you going there, what were you doing there, what are you doing there, and why are you doing this, why are you eating food, who is eating food, why is he going there. And there are many things we can make. So make it little difficult. If you are able to speak very simple sentences, if you are not able to speak simple sentences like I am doing this, I am doing that, he is doing this, my father is going to Mumbai, my mother is doing domestic work, okay, these kind of things if you are able to speak, so now you need to speak by using these WH families. And when you will use these WH families in your sentences, then easily you can speak. And see, I know in your beginning days, I know initially it will be hard, it could be hard, it may be difficult for you, but my friend, just try to speak simple sentence. First of all, try to use why in if whatever sentences you have knowledge about, whatever sentences you know, whether it is present indefinite or present continuous or past, and whatever sentences you are learning, just try to use WH families in each sentences, okay. If you are able to speak that sentence in a affirmative way, okay, like in this way, like I do this, I watch videos, I scroll the reels, I watch my phone, I use my phone, I do this, I do that. These type of sentences are indefinite, present indefinite. And when you will use WH families, then you will have to use do, does, and it can become something different. It will become something like convoluted, it will become something like difficult for you, right? So try to speak those sentences as well. I know very well the people who are learning English language, they are able to speak simple sentences, and then they think like, now I have completed my task, I have learned so many things in this type of sentences, and now I need to move forward. Yes, I need to learn something else, I need to learn past perfect, I need to learn past indefinite, I need to learn past continues. So they just move forward, but they don't learn whatever they couldn't speak, whatever they left behind, right? So first of all, try to complete your task, all type of sentences, just learn first of all, okay, and then you can easily understand all the things, whatever the person is speaking in English language, whoever speaks, but just you need to have vocabularies. When you will listen someone, and if he is using different types of sentences, and he is speaking so many things, so if he is speaking professionally, so you need to have knowledge about the vocabularies, you need to have vocabularies to understand that point, right? And you need to have you should have a good command of those sentences to be able to understand those all the things, right? So first of all, I just really want to say one thing. If you are using WH families, then you can easily speak a little more, and you can examine your we can say your capability, your ability, that are you able to frame those sentences or not, okay. So try to use WH families and try to make those sentences. Our second method is like phrases. How many phrases we can learn? So my friend, there are many phrases to speak in our daily life conversation, like if I talk about the phrases, so we can speak mind your language. I know very well that so many people are aware about it, but just try to use it in your daily life, okay. Your tongue will just twist, your tongue will start twisting, and your mind will start observing English language and feeling comfortable, okay. So try to speak, mind your language, mind your behavior, and who the hell are you to say this, and what the hell is this, and many others, these kind of things, like you should speak in your daily life conversation. And with the help of these phrases, you can speak English language. And there are many dialogues like you can learn, see, I don't have any type of like that kind of dialogue. You can learn many other things with the help of your phone, with the help of your social media. I know very well so many people watch many movies on YouTube, So I would suggest them one thing. I mean, be ready. Always be ready to learn something new. You know, if anyone is using something, if anyone is speaking something new, any vocabulary, any new phrase, any sentence, any dialogue, so try to know about that. Just try to pause that video, just at the same time, and try to know the meaning of this. Okay, and in this way you can improve your English language day by day. If you do this, don't think that only one thing we will learn, so how we can speak English language. No, you can speak English language after writing many others. You know, day by day, if you will learn something new and you will write it down in your notebook, so you will be able to understand those things and you will be able to recall those things. You know, those vocabularies, those dialogues, those sentences, those phrases. So try to know those simple and very interesting. Whatever you are thinking that, yeah, it is very interesting word, it is very interesting vocabulary, and I should write it down and I should learn it. And you must have seen many times whatever we feel that, yeah, it is very interesting for us, so automatically we are capable to recall that thing. You know, so that's why I'm saying that just try to learn very interesting vocabularies. Okay, wherever you are going, just be ready, always be ready to learn something new. Okay, and in this way you can improve your English language. Try to follow these methods and try to speak English language every single day. Okay, practice can make you perfect. Okay, so just do practice and keep working, keep learning, and you will be able to speak English language after some time. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.